Hello, 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 and welcome back to another final part of Inazuma 11, I guess. Today we're gonna do a bit of the extra mode. Hey man, how's it going? Hey, I think I know that voice. Who is this? What do you mean, who is this? It's me. Yeah, okay, whatever. I think this is for the extra routes, but that's not what we're doing today. Or I think not, at least. What we are doing is going to Fuji Forest. No. Wait, Mia, I heard voices coming from behind the boulder recently. I've heard. Okay, so what they're saying is we have to go to Tokyo. To the warehouse there. Whoosh! Oh, whoosh! Oh, and there's a kid there. Just quick. Oh! These random battles are actually gonna make me work to edit stuff. Okay, so we have to go to fuck my life. And these should hopefully be the last one we face. As to the sheer fact that we're at the secret warehouse. And now we need to talk to a cat. What the hell? Well, that's a waste of my time. Also, like, I don't know exactly how. Wait, what? Oh, there's an extra kid. So I've told you guys before that, like, after this I'm gonna do Pokémon Conquest, but like that might not be instantly after this because I'm resetting my computer and I don't know if everything's gonna be on point by then. I've been having these really scary dreams and walking. This present turns the whole world into a great big icicle. Just think about it, it gives me the creeps. A place surrounded by trees. So am I now good to go to? Let me first. Am I now good to go to Fuji? Because I mean that's a forest, so. Yes. Look at this person. We remember him. I've been waiting for you, Raymond 11. You're Gazelle from Aliens Academy. Now we have nowhere to return to, but that doesn't matter anymore. I challenge you to a match against me and my team Diamond Dust. And he wants to say he's stronger than Xene. I hope I'm not on level for this, because that would be awkward if they're like level 60. Bye, kitty cat. So now we're gonna have to find our way here. I'd be lying on the set if I had the slides to know where I was going, so I'm gonna. Their goalie could do other getting his catch, which is very disturbing. Chest. Ooh. Lucky manual. Interesting. I'm gonna have to go another battle right here. Yep. Yay, and another one down. This time I didn't even have to use Astral Rake. I had to use Warp Drive to get past the goalie. Well, no, I got past the goalie and then I had to use. Oh, wait, no, that's not good. So it's this part that, like, goes in a maze. So if you're going the wrong way, you'll just get back to the fuck! So now DM is out of TP. But I'm kind of positive that I'm almost there because it shouldn't be this too big. Is it too big? Wait a minute. Chest? I'm also well aware that like I'm skipping through a whole lot of this stuff, which isn't per se a good thing. Oh, well. So what I was gonna say is like I know like skipping through it is maybe not like a good thing to do either, but I also fucking hell. I ran away on accident whilst trying to start the battle again, huh? Well, because I'm useless. Please. Oh boy. See, I don't want to necessarily skip through a lot of this, but like, it's just a maze, you know? And I don't want to be stuck here all day. And at this point, I'm gonna be stuck here all day, because I can't even finish my sentence or I'm in a new battle. Oh? Oh! We made it! Quicker than expected, it only took 8 minutes. It's about time, I was beginning to think you got scared of and run. I need you, nobody else can withstand the power of blood going inside me. Interesting. Yes, it works, it really works. Wait, so I'm not, like, allowed to go to restore my TP, really? Dark Phoenix manual, nice. Well, inventory, items. So this is probably the last time I even have this save file, or I might just... Just gonna give all of them some stuff. Wait, actually, all worth it. For people that are shouting, ah, such a waste, it is. That's kind of the point. Because, like I was saying earlier, I don't know if I said it fully, I am resetting my computer, and the save was not coming with, so, yep. Done that just okay. And do they all have sufficient FP as well? Yes. Then we're ready, hopefully, to face the Gazelle. Get your stylus ready. His power, I can feel it, even though he's just standing there. Come on, Rhyme 11, let's have some fun. Yay, I'm down. Yeah, the formation still makes sense. They're level 50, 47, 49. Yeah, no, they're good. Just gotta watch out for Gazelle mostly. And need to get past him, which should be doable. There's also Chaos, I guess, but for that I need to download, and since it's an emulator, there's no download happening. There's just not. Oh my god! Such an open net! Well, not an open net, but like an open shot chance. Interesting. Works just as well. Let's start off strong with our strongest move and fire it up. Fireball Storm! Blast! Can Icebox stop it? Fire melts ice. Yeah, yeah. Or in this case, cracks it, because that didn't melt. So we're already winning, which means we stand a chance. Oh yeah, plus I nutted out Mark's goalkeeping, so that should be good. Or his guard, because goalkeeping only really applies from... What's it called? Goal. Let him waste our TP, honestly. I don't really mind. The more TP they waste on dribbles, the less they can do with it. Flame Dance. Yeah, yeah. Such a cool move. Such a cool move. Sucks that, like, he's American. I know Japanese. Oh, yes. Let's do what I want to do. Because that's kind of what I'm here, right? We want to win. YOLO. Whilst we're fired up anyway. Tsunami boost! Okay. Beluga. Ice block. I mean, that's gonna save it. But yeah. It's also wasting SCP, which is kind of what I was going for. Interesting. Oh, they're now fired up. That's possibly problematic. Land of Ice? Oh, no, no. We're not allowed to do Land of Ice. They're not that bad. Are we allowed to do Land of Ice this time? No, still not, but hey. She's wasting her DP on dribbling instead of defending. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, fuck it. We're no aliens, we don't like TP. Maybe a bit offensive towards aliens, but hey. That's okay. We didn't ask him to invade our planet either, did we? Gotta say, I think Beluga's design is actually more fun than like the burnout guy from Prominence. Man has no TP anymore, poor goalkeeper. I think that's always like the real flaw with like these alien teams anyway, right? They're really good, but they have no TP. Therefore it's quite easy to get past them. Don't let this get to your head, I mean, no. They're just not good. It's kind of funny, like, oh, I can feel his presence, they're so good. No. No, they're not. Okay, so they can lightning sprint past me. Ooh, that's actually no TP with their fire up. So let's let him do it again. Never mind. Oh, lol. How dare burn that? Let's go, Banyan. Rolling force. Hey, now you can't win this. You're no fired up anymore. Now you can't win this anymore. Fuck. Fuck. Eh. Why? Dribble 2 meters, no one's gonna catch up to you, and you gotta oh, fuck! This is a problem. Huh? That's so weird. Okay then. If they played a bit smarter, that's the only shot chance they really have. Except this, of course, which is absolute fucking bullshit. Now she's going for the... he's going for the Olympic, my excuse. Can I stop this? 90 guard, like 30 higher than this kick. Probably strongest moving goalkeeper moving game. I stopped this, yes. Come on, flame dance, let's go. Flame dance. He could have shot Northern Impact twice, but instead... Come on! That's a problem. That's a problem. Any kind of shot that she has a goal. But she doesn't, or she doesn't have one. Which makes it a catcher. That's a good clear. God damn it, I want to lob it over him. Let me at least lob it. But no, instant block. I don't think that's in Go anymore, so I think that's a good thing, because that blocks it really didn't work out sometimes. Because it just instantly catches the ball when I try and lob it as well, which is like, makes very much no sense to me. That it just grapples on makes no sense, but by the way, not like that they block my shots, that's supposedly alright. Spinning Kato. Really good move. Look, what's this? I held it. It has to go up. Flame dance. Let's go. Let's make it a third if we can. Yep. Can we? Oh boy. Ah! Sucks, 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 sucks. Another victory in the bag. Damn, 36% ball possession. Let's go. We lost. Impossible. Give it up, Gazelle. This game is gone. The title of Genesis doesn't exist anymore. Do forgive me. I seem to have underestimated you and your team a little. This is not over. We will show you that we are the champions once and for all. Hey, what are you going? Where are you going? I will return, and when I do, I will crush your Raymond 11. Ha 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 ha. Face him again, we better stay in shape. Alright, let's just get out of here. Oh. So anyway, the next time we should face him is in Chaos, and since I don't have the option to connect with friends here in the menu, this is unfortunately all there will be for Inazuma 11 2. I thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed, do please leave a like button. I said it again. Do please leave a like. The like button is of course where you like. I don't know why I said it. Apparently I said it the third time now, because I've been called out on like the second time. Called myself out the first time. So yeah, do leave a like. Leave a comment on what I did well, or what you liked, or what you didn't like, what I can do better. If you like the series, if you're excited for any more series in the future. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you all for watching. Bye!